Welcome, friends. Sorry, the grocery haul is on the other camera for tomorrow.
Here we are.
Here we are. You got the heat on now. I can put my hood back down.
I had a little chicken thing I was going to eat with my bag of chips, but I keep putting them in them bags. Can't find it.
And you're not going to look for it.
Nope, I'm just going to bag chips.
Look at this. This is disgusting. More disgusting than ever.
Oh, I see her coming over as normal these.
That's not even a large.
Well, I never got no forks.
Alright. Must be something in here.
I never got that cleaned out yet.
Spoons and knives. There's something. Oh, can't open that now. Brute strength can open it.
Yes, it is in the fork.
Yeah. Sorry about the rattling. Yeah. Need anything else? Disgusted.
Not that up. Might not get it back on now.
I better leave it down then. Here's your table. I don't know if you're back far enough.
I don't really need it.
No, not for chips.
Got the roster on. What are you doing here?
I didn't see any grapes passed to me.
Oh, he put them in that bag. I can't find them.
Alright, never mind. So you can.
I'll have a double shot today.
Put it close.
Since it's a first snowstorm of the winter. No, first snowstorm of this year.
Yeah, yeah.
Pair of those videos.
No.
I almost forgot.
Hear anybody say anything about closing early?
I'm gonna take this and put on this and stuff.
Yeah.
Where you're going? Fries and gravy, the only bag that was here there.
Put it over between us.
Huh?
Move your hand and be still.
Yeah, that's all wet. That's open up.
I probably am not going to be out on the deck cooking today.
What?
I'll wait for tomorrow.
Oh, God. It's rainy. See David there cleaning snow up. This was a scraper. I'll never find this scraper. There's a beige colored van on this side of the boot shop.
Oh, okay. Where?
We're gonna walk around there. We'll go.
Alright. Just let me have one of your chips and let me taste it.
Huh?
Is there a wishing chip?
Pretty good.
Snowflakes are smaller now and they're twirling around. He got me a wish chip.
It's a fold over chip.
Yeah, we always say they're wishing chip.
There's a man there.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to try one of his fries and gravy. Lay's fries and gravy.
Yep. Better not like it. Where's Piper?
The what?
Scraper, please. clean the snow off the vehicle.
No. No, I wouldn't go to my way to buy a bag of those.
No?
No.
I wish her.
No, no. Don't try to tempt me.
Good. We got one place.
Yeah.
We got one of them in the van.
Somewhere. Oh yeah, in the van. Home. There's a guy over there with a little snowblower on the sidewalk over there, see him?
Not too much snowblower.
The snow and slush is heavy. Oh, that just reminded me. Opened the freezer door last night and one of those plastic containers of grapes fell out on the floor, the top cracked, and all the grapes went all over the floor. Except the cover went like this on, and it was full. One layer.
Well.
I know. They're going in the compost. Can't eat off that floor. A lot of people say, oh, you can eat off her floor, but you can't eat off my floor.
Too many cat hairs.
That's why. Well, you got cats, you got cat hair. You got dogs, you got dog hair.
Well, you wouldn't have dog hairs if you had your cats.
No, but I'm just saying.
I wouldn't try to confuse you.
Were you able to use the savings?
Huh?
Were you able to use the savings?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay.
And I used the MasterCard for the groceries.
Oh. I don't know what I paid the last one yet. And that was 183 or something.
What could buy that much money?
What?
What could buy that much money?
I didn't. You did.
What? That much groceries at one time?
Last week or the week before. I gotta wait for the statement now to see if I did or not. I don't remember doing it.
You can pay this one now, can you? It's only $1.41.
$141?
Don't lose it. Long one.
My lamb. Oh, you remember the ketchup? You got 5 miles.
The last thing I remember was ketchup.
5 miles on the ravioli. 5 miles on the broccoli florets. On the block, they've gone up 20 cents each. The California mix is only $2.99. Oh my heavens! Cherry tomatoes, orange, $7.
I won't do it again, but just give me a treat.
Sweet potatoes, $7 and $6. Cucumbers, $6. More tomatoes, $5. Blueberries, $3.77. Mushrooms, wait, 3 air miles.
How much was it? Mushrooms.
$3.29.
Yeah, yesterday said there's $1.
What?
You should be 99 cents yesterday, didn't you?
Oh no, it wasn't yesterday, but
The last day was there.
Bacon smoked, $8.30.
That's getting up. Ages too. Like snow's letting you know.
I might have seen somebody. Oh, right there. No, it's not. Never mind. Just checking to see if people are dressed appropriately today.
Oh, you ain't seen nobody in shorts yet.
I see that girl, she just got little shoes on.
Yeah, no socks. So she ain't dressed for it. So she can't even push the snow off to it. It's too heavy. It's not that heavy.
Honey. That must be for her.
There's a lot of snow on top of her car though.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how long the car's been there.
No. Not a worker though.
Ooh. Ooh. That's tacky.
What?
There's snow tacky on top of that car.
It is tacky.
She ain't gonna get that off of there today. Uh-oh.
What do you say, hon?
Whoops. Whoops.
You should have your bag turned the other way.
Well, we can't see it anyway. You look at people on TV and just...
Look over there, it's getting the snow off of that. I don't know if you can see or not.
I can't.
No, can you see in the camera?
Nope. Maybe. Good thing she's a tall person. They bring it right down on top of her head. She can reach right to the top of it. The short people wouldn't be able to do it though. Oh, wait for that car to move.
That's a different girl at that car now. She's dressed for wearing that one. Over her. She had winter boots on and a winter coat and a scarf and everything.
Oh, some of them in there's all bundled up. There, last of it. Oh, it comes apart.
Oh.
Two pieces. There, that segment's over. Where's my chips? There. Oops. Excuse me again.
Oh my God, they actually said, excuse me.
I had to have burped 3 times.
Huh?
I had to have burped 3 times. That's a long truck. That's what that plow on there.
Oh. Is it plowing snow or is it just going in?
I ain't trying to get in there. With my mask.
Somebody's down there doing them now. They can't reach.
I know who he is, but I don't know his name.
Okay, I can reach up further now. I'm plenty warm enough if you are.
Now she's shoveling.
Here he goes with a snowblower again. I won't need grapes anyway after I eat these. After I finish this, I won't need grapes.
There was more in there than you thought.
Well, I don't want to overstuff myself either.
When the large box is full, I don't need grapes. And this is about a large. But the price of an extra large.
That's that guy there, he owns that. The business just on the other side of the mall there. I can never think of the name of it.
Is it a garage?
Sort of. Like a welding shop sort of thing.
Oh. Last one.
Oh, my last one too. Little crumbs.
A lot of crumbs in this today. Okay, we're done.
Doobly-doo.
Okay, this was my supper. Sweet potatoes, peas, corn, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, pickles, 3 olives with almonds inside of them. There's my meal all mingled and married. It was delicious, and I ate the grapes. Thanks for watching, friends. It's 11 o'clock. I'm tired, my eyes, so see you tomorrow, Lord willing.